Okay, today we're installing our FactoryIQ Edge device on this fine jet water jet machine. Looking in the cabinet, we've identified the feed to the solenoid for the water jet itself. We've attached our current sensor to that. That in turn is attached to our Edge device, and immediately, as soon as we power that up, it's sending data to FactoryIQ, and then we can then start to correlate the data that's coming out of there with the actual jobs that are running in FactoryIQ itself.
Okay, we've just seen Peter fit the FactoryIQ Edge kit onto the machine. So simple clamp, sense clamp around the right cable. That's now feeding information into the box. The box now is feeding information into FactoryIQ. So we have our Doosan here with the product that we need to deliver on it or need to work on. And here we have the FactoryIQ Edge system telling us what the machine is physically working, or when the machine is physically working. So we can see the blips, the dead time, the blip, and the dead time. This then can get overlaid into FactoryIQ. So we can see here for the Doosan, the magenta line, we are meant to be running on this product all day. And then overlaid, ghosted over the top of that, are these green parts, which is the FactoryIQ Edge system telling us when the machine is actually running. So we now see this hidden factory. We can see the downtime that we are getting. A blip here, some here, look, we haven't run, so we're meant to potentially running through our lunch time. So the hatched areas here are our lunches, so we're meant to be running through our lunch. And our breaks, yeah, we have run into our break here, but we've stopped here. So again, we are now seeing the inefficiencies within our process, or we're getting downtime changeovers. Well, we shouldn't be having a changeover, but it will highlight changeovers, downtime, and now we need to look at the root cause analysis of what's actually happening. So we can improve the situation, we can drive our OTIF, drive our productivity, drive our efficiency. So this is FactoryIQ Edge linking into FactoryIQ and really getting into the detail around what's happening on the shop floor and how much time we are actually losing.